Good afternoon, Grandpa Walt. We are in Council Bluffs, Iowa today, right along the Missouri River. And we have Iowa Interstate that's to the left of us here. Their yard's like behind us, but real cool museum here in Council Bluffs. It's a RailsWest Museum. A lot of Rock Island memorabilia and other memorabilia. We're going to take a walk around here. They also have a lot of cool displays. Old Burlington steam engine here, old Rock Island. And this used to be the train depot here in Council Bluffs. And a lot of stuff inside, so we're going to take some video and show you what it looks like. So yeah, Grandpa Walt, we're inside. We'll do a walk around all of the displays. Real neat and cool items, Rock Island memorabilia. See here. Should come through this area. Johnny Cash came through here, huh?
He did, yes. That man in the picture up there was Dennis Devine, and he was kind of a local town historian. Everybody knew and loved him.
Okay.
But he was also the #1 fan in Johnny Cash's fan club in this area.
Oh my goodness sakes,
And
okay.
so Johnny Cash was coming to town to perform for the Council Bluffs' yearly parade to celebrate.
Oh my goodness.
And he reached out to Johnny Cash and was like, hey, we have the Rock Island Depot that's opening into a museum. It'd be really cool if you came down and kind of did an appearance. So,
Oh my
Johnny Cash
gosh.
has the Rock Island Line song.
Yeah, signed a lot of stuff. Okay.
Yeah, so a lot of the stuff there is from the day he was here, but also some memorabilia that he collected over the years from John and June and some other relatives.
Cool. Awesome. All right, let's walk around a little bit. Model Railroad. Ticket office this way. We can buy our tickets. Walk over this way. Some more memorabilia. They're telling me that this is the women's waiting area back in here. Some old plates. View outside here. Again, Iowa Interstate. Old uniform. Cool place. A lot of stuff. Great place to visit. All right. Here's the displays that they have on the outside. An old Burlington steam engine. I'm going to take a walkabout here. An old Rock Island caboose. I remember these well. Again, my dad worked on the Rock Island as a machinist. 30 years. Union Pacific. Looks like a railway post office. We're going to definitely take a look at inside of there. Old box car. Oh, and it's snowing. Yeah, it's a little chilly and windy today. Old box car here. This one definitely has seen better days, hasn't it? It's green, I'm not sure. I don't know if this is Burlington Northern. Not really sure. This is really cool, an old wooden caboose from the Burlington. That's really cool. Old wooden caboose. Looks an old early diesel there. And they have a UP steam engine. Let's see if we can take some better view of it here. Oh yeah, cool. All right, and that's what we have for outdoor displays here at the museum. Again, cool place. RailsWest Museum. You can see the sign right there in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Council Bluffs. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, please subscribe. Have a great day.